Some important computer technical terms. Number 1. The amount of data that can be transmitted through communication channel in a fixed period of time. Bandwidth. Number 2. The device which converts digital signal into analog and vice versa. Modem. 3. The device which accepts weak signals, regenerate them and send them back on their way. Repeaters. 4. A computer that provides services to the other computer. Server computer. 5. The process of selling and buying goods, products and services by using internet. E-commerce. 6. Sending and receiving messages or documents electronically through internet. Email. 7. All the physical parts of computer system that can be seen and touched. Computer hardware. 8. Set of instructions or collection of computer programs designed to perform certain tasks. Computer software. 9. A company that provides the internet facility or service. ISP, Internet Service Provider. 10. Collection of system programs which controls and manages overall operation of computer. Operating system. 11. The small picture buttons that represent files, folders, programs, etc. Icons. 12. The program which converts high-level or assembly-level language into machine code and vice versa. Language processor. 13. Multiple computers are connected to each other for the purpose of sharing data and resources. Computer network. 14. The physical layout of computer network or the cabling structure or interconnection pattern of computer. Network topology. 15. The communication mode in which data are transmitted in both directions simultaneously. Full duplex mode. 16. A set of moral principles or code of conduct that regulates the use of computer. Computer ethics. 17. A type of network in which every computer works as both client and server. Peer-to-peer network. 18. The path through data is transmitted from one computer to another. Communication media. 19. A mode of transmission in which data and signal flow in both directions, but only from one direction at a time. Half duplex mode. 20. A mode of transmission in which data and signal flow in one direction. Simplex mode. 21. A transmission media through which data are transmitted in the form of light signal. Fiber optics. 22. A set of rules and procedures that governs the exchange of information over computer network. Protocol. 23. The large network of computers all over the world to communicate and share resources, or network of network. Internet. 24. The process of copying data, files, documents and programs from internet or server computer to client computer. Download. 25. Internet service that allows people to communicate with each other by typing in real time. Chat. 26. The process of place data, information, files and documents from user's computer to server or internet. Upload. 27. a protocol that allows a user to log on one host to access and transfer files to another network. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. 28. Telecommunication network that allows a user to connect remote computer over TCP/IP network. Telnet. 29. The network security system that monitors and controls the traffic flow between the internet and private network. Firewall. 30. The study of secure communications technique that allow only the sender and intended recipient of a message to view its content. Cryptography. 31. The first page of website that usually contains links to the other pages of the site. Home page. 32. Law that governs the legal issues of cyberspace. Cyber law. 33. The skilled computer expert who uses technical knowledge to overcome a problem, or a person who uses computer to gain unauthorized access to data. Hacker. 34. The integration of text, audio, video, pictures and animation. Multimedia. 35. The software program that recognizes other hardware device in computer system. Device driver. 36. Device used to protect electronic device from high voltage. Volt guard. 37. A protocol used to transmitting and displaying information in the form of web pages on web browser. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 38. A computer with the combination of features of both analog computer and digital computer. Hybrid computer. 39. The background area of the Windows screen. Desktop. 40. A unique address that specifies the location of a web page in the internet. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. 41. A set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. Computer program. 42. An emerging branch in computer science which interprets the means and method of making computers think like human beings. Artificial intelligence. 43. The use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Virtual reality. 44. A set of services provided by the government to public by electronic media, especially using internet. E-governance. 45. The number system having base or radix 16 which includes 0 to 9 numbers and A to F alphabets. Hexadecimal number system. 46. The process of displaying or viewing the specific and particular records according to the given criteria. Data filtering. 47. The duplication or repetition of similar type of data in a particular field in the database. Data redundancy. 48. The process of arranging the records in a particular order, either ascending or descending. Data sorting. 49. Virtual space created by computer networks, internet to make communication. Cyberspace. 50. The process of encoding information in such a way that it is unreadable to all. Encryption. 51. A computer user who attempts to break into copyright protected software or an information cracker. 52. The software which controls and manages all the operations in computer network. Network operating system. 53. A single page of website that contains information on specific topic or subject. Web page. 54. An audio-video communication system using internet service. An audio-video communication system using internet service. Video conference. 55. A private network within an organization, office or university. Intranet. 56. The scattering of the parts of the same disk file over different location. Fragmentation. 57. A power protection device used to prevent computer from sudden high voltage during lightning. Spike guard. 58. A utility program used to detect and repair lost cluster and bad sector of hard disk. Scan disk. 59. A type of computer virus that infects the documents of template of word processing or spreadsheet. Macrovirus. 60. A network device that provides interconnection with other networks that use the same protocol. Bridge. 61. 61. A type of malicious software or malware that spreads between computers and causes damage to data and software. Computer virus. 62. A software program which is used to access the internet. Web browser. 63. Computing in which processing, storage, software and other services are provided as a shared pool of virtualized resources. Cloud computing. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like our videos and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon which will give notification about our upcoming video